Hello everyone, I'm Akif and this time I'll be talking about project engineering and interface management. So I will be touching to the skills that these two areas have. So basically these two areas are often decide whether the project runs smoothly or faces unnecessary hurdles. With my background in managing complex oil and gas projects, so I'll walk through what makes these skills essential and how they translate into real success on the ground. So, when we talk about experienced project and interface engineers, we are not just talking about people who handle paperwork or keep track of the schedules. So, at the professional level, the real value lies in the ability to bring order to complexity to the big picture basically, all right? So the while never losing sight on the small but critical details. So, who is a project engineer? Project engineer is someone who can take broad business objectives and then translate them into the practical and achievable actions. So they know how to turn the strategy, um, the how to turn the strategy to the execution. So basically, they create structure where there is a chaos. So they make the clarity where there is uncertainty. So they don't just react to problems, they understand risks before that comes up, and they design solutions that prevent issues from ever reaching to the field. Then before going to the field, that problem has to be resolved. So now, the role of an interface engineer, actually it is really equally important, but often less visible. So let's imagine if there is a project, like a machine, the interface engineer who ensures that all gears moving at the right speed and they are not grinding against each other. It's not just about coordinating documents or keeping a register, it's about alignment. So that is the key word. It's alignment is the job of interface engineer. Basically, they make sure design, procurement, construction, commissioning, and even the future operations are not working in silos but as one connected effort. So basically, that alignment is what prevents clashes, delays, and costly rework. So these three concerns are always coming up. Let me give you an example. Imagine a large construction project. So the big construction, machines, cranes, and everything. Okay. So the civil team is preparing foundations, and mechanical team is preparing or the planning to install heavy equipment installation, and the electrical team of course is planning underground cabling. If no one is carefully aligning this effort, the civil team might pour concrete without leaving provisions for cable trenches. Later, the electrical team arrives and discovers they can't run their cables without breaking the fresh concrete. Oh my god, breaking the concrete. It is wasted money, wasted time, and unnecessary frustration. But with an experienced interface engineer in place, this doesn't happen at all. So they anticipate overlap, bring the teams together before the work starts, and ensure that design, procurement, and construction all account for each other's needs. As a result, the work flows smoothly, costs stay under control, and the project maintains its momentum. So, what distinguishes professional project and interface engineers is their ability to speak many languages. Within the same project and the same organization, doesn't matter, they can sit with executives and talk about strategy, budgets, and long-term values. So they can step into the meeting with the site team as well, so the supervisors, and talk practical resolutions for executions or whatever it is, so they can discuss highly technical matters with design engineers, and in every setting they keep an eye on cost, on the schedule, and on the safety and quality as well. So in short, they are the glue that holds complex projects together. So they don't just deliver reports or the or manage meetings so they deliver confidence. That's important keyword, okay? Note it down. Confidence that the project is under control, the definition of the word for the projects basically. So that means right hand knows what left hand is doing. So basically everybody works and aligned to the one shared goal. That's it. So that is the skill set of an experienced project and interface engineers. Basically foresight, alignment, leadership, and technical depth. And the important point is that's why they are not just participants in project. They are enablers of success. Ciao. Thank you.